What's going on, guys? Today I got the Anker PowerCore 13,000. I'm just going to do a little unboxing video and quick little review on it. So this is what the box looks like. Not really much on the back. Pop it open. So these Anker batteries, these power banks, are awesome. This is the second one I've gotten. I had one of these before and I left it in my work truck, and the next day I came back and what do you know, it wasn't there anymore. Somebody else needed it. So I got another one. This time I got the 13,000. Last time I got the one, I think it was double the size of this one, but this thing is awesome. It's got two USBs and a micro USB right there. Really basic design. It feels durable, it doesn't feel cheap. If you press this button, it'll show you how much battery you have left. So 3 probably equals like 75%. This thing charges my phone up and my speaker for my Bluetooth most of the day, and it doesn't die. This thing really lasts a long time. So what else is in the box? There is another box inside of this box. And it's got just like a little mesh looking little case type of pocket you can put this in to keep it protected. And voila, got a trusty little bag for it. But yeah, that's just about it, guys. I just wanted to do a little unboxing video. I hadn't put a video out in like a month or two, so just wanted to say what's up. Thanks for subscribing and liking and showing support. I really appreciate it. If you guys could check out the rest of my videos, that would be awesome as well. But have a good one. Later.